In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can write blog post within 15 minutes with WriteSonic. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to a WriteSonic account. So you can create a free account for testing purposes, but you can get only you can basically write one article for with a free account. So first of all, what you need to do is log into your account and you can find this kind of screen. So here you need to click new project, click here, and here you can name something, and name it build. So here you can see a lot of digital ad copy, and here you can find some writing tools. So we select a article writer English only, so click here, and here we first need to come up with ideas for my article. So I just write my keyword build, so click generate ideas. So it generate a bunch of ideas here, as you can see, and I select this and click next step. So here you need to write article intro here. Now click next step. So now I need to generate outlines. So for generate outlines, click generate outlines. So it generate a lot of outline. So I chose this. So if you want, you can change the outline here. So will include social media guest putting, so you can change anything you want, but so after changing something, you click write an article. It is the final step. So it is now generating article. So wait like 1 minute and it generate a great article. So as you can see, it's generate a article. So it's look like a great article. So as you can see, includes the link out relevant articles on other websites, on blogs, create a content niche and attack all relevant publishers for linking your articles. The different option you can use. So it generate a good article. I'm not saying it is a very great article, but it is good. So as you can see, you can generate a article within 15 minutes, and it is a free tool. You can generate one article, and you can find a lot of option here also. So if I show you here, so as you can see, you can create Google ads copy, Facebook ads copy, LinkedIn ad headline, LinkedIn ad description, LinkedIn ads, and here are some writing tools, some social media tools, and you can find some copywriting tools here. So it seems like a great tool. You can visit. I give you a link in description, and please check it out. So thank you so much for watching this video.